What you have?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. They call pineapple blizzard. And we have strawberry shake. Okay, show me that one here. That's the one.